A jury is a critically important part of Australia's federal criminal justice process. It is required by our Constitution for the trial of all serious offences. Members are chosen on a random basis from the community. A judge presides over every trial, but only a jury can decide if a person is guilty or not. Jurors are not expected to be experts on the law or any specialist topic. They are expected to decide cases by applying common sense and their collective experience in accordance with the judge's directions. Anyone who can vote in a federal election can serve on a federal court jury, but some are exempt. Reasons include their profession or if they have a criminal record. Prospective jurors are sent a questionnaire that must be completed and returned. They may subsequently receive a summons to attend court. It is an offence not to complete and return the questionnaire or fail to attend court. However, prospective jurors can ask to be excused when they receive the questionnaire, the summons, or when attending court. Reasons to be excused may include a person's health, insufficient understanding of English, or potential hardship for themselves or another person. By law, employers must allow their employees to attend court for jury selection and to serve on a jury if chosen. An employee only has to provide their employer with evidence that they've been summoned. A person summoned for jury service should bring the summons along with a form of identification, such as a driver's licence and bank account details, so they can be paid an attendance fee. Signs in the court building will direct potential jurors where to go, and court officers will be there to assist. A ballot is conducted to randomly choose a jury panel. These people then go to the courtroom. They need to take all possessions and turn phones and other electronic devices to silent, or if instructed by the jury officer, to off. The judge then describes the case, naming the accused, expected length of trial, the nature of the crime, and names of witnesses. The judge will then invite any of the panel members to apply to be excused. Reasons include knowing someone in the courtroom involved in the trial, knowing something about the trial itself, if the subject matter may cause discomfort, and, as mentioned, health reasons, insufficient understanding of English, or financial hardship. The prosecution or the defence may object to having a particular person on the jury and do not have to explain why. Once selected, jury members have to take an oath or an affirmation that they will faithfully carry out the task. They will then be seated in the jury box. The judge, court staff and jury officer will tell jurors everything they need to know about sitting on the jury. The jury officer plays a key role as the link between the judge and the jury. This person attends to any physical needs. Jurors must focus entirely upon what happens in court and not be affected in any way by outside influences. Jurors must not make their own inquiries, conduct their own research, or discuss case details with anyone outside the jury. The verdict must be based on evidence presented in court and tested in court. Any other result would be unfair to the prosecution, to the accused person, and to the community. The verdict could be set aside if it is found a juror has made their own inquiries, meaning the whole process has been wasted. Jurors must attend court every day, listen carefully to the evidence, and keep an open mind for the entire trial. Jurors are not allowed to take phones or other electronic devices into the courtroom during the trial, but the judge will tell the jury if phones and other devices can be used in the jury room. It is possible you will be issued with a computer tablet so that you can view evidence during the trial. Jurors and anyone summoned for jury service are entitled to an attendance fee and, in some cases, travel allowance. For details on this and all other information, click on the link below www.fedcourt.gov.au going to court/jury.